What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the WordPress white screen of death using cPanel's file manager. Now, if you've ever loaded your WordPress site and you see it's completely blank, white screen, no text, no error message, nothing, you've experienced what's known as the white screen of death. It is one of the most common WordPress issues, and it happens for a few different reasons, like faulty plugins, a broken theme, or even a line of bad code in your site's files. The good news is, it's often an easy fix once you know where to look. And this is where hosting your site with RackNerd cPanel hosting really shines. With File Manager built right in, you can access and repair your website files directly, no FTP software needed. If you're not already hosting with us, I recommend checking out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans include cPanel access, making troubleshooting fast, simple, and reliable. Before we dive into the steps, let me also mention that in our recent tutorials, I've shown you how to disable plugins and themes through the file manager and how to enable WordPress debugging mode. Those techniques tie directly into today's guide, since we'll use a similar method to resolve the white screen issue. All right, let's move right into the steps. First, we need to log into cPanel. Once you're inside, scroll down and open the file manager. From there, navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed. Usually this is the public_HTML directory, unless your site is inside a subfolder. Now, the first thing we'll do is check for plugin conflicts. Open the WP content folder and then look for the plugins folder. So quickly deactivate all plugins at once, rename the folder to something like plugins_disabled. This will force WordPress to deactivate all the plugins. Once that's done, go back to your browser and refresh your website. If your site loads normally now, that means that one of your plugins was causing the issue. You can go back to File and Manager and rename it back to plugins, and then log into your WordPress dashboard to reactivate them one by one until you find the culprit. If disabling plugins doesn't fix it, the next possible cause is a theme issue. So go back to the WP content folder and open the themes folder. Find the active themes folder and rename it. For example, add _old at the end, just like we do with the plugins. When you do this, WordPress will automatically revert to one of its default themes, like 2023. Check your site again. If it loads now, then the theme was the problem. If the white screen still persists, there could be an error in the wp-config.php file. In File Manager, look at that file in the root of your WordPress installation, right-click it, and then choose Edit. Scroll down until you see the comment that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy blogging." Right above that line, write this code. Then click Save Changes. Now when you reload your website, instead of a blank screen, you should see an error message showing exactly which file or plugin is causing the issue. Once you identify that, you can go back into the file manager and remove it, or fix that specific file. After you're done troubleshooting, remember to go back and change that same line to false to turn off debugging mode. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix the WordPress white screen of death using cPanel's file manager. Most of the time, this issue comes down to a bad plugin or theme or corrupted file. And with File Manager, you have everything you need to diagnose and repair it yourself. It's another example of why RackNerd's cPanel hosting is so useful. With full access to your files and tools like File Manager, you're never stuck waiting for help. You can take action and get your site back online quickly. So if you're still looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.